I'm enjoying one of the clip which has been put. People are saying we decided to sideline, to put aside the goalkeeper we had because of the mistake which he made against the Triangle. No, we're looking at about 7 matches from the match which you played against the Simba Bora. We're not happy. But this goalkeeper you are talking about is the best goalkeeper we have in this country. We went with him to Malawi. He didn't concede even a single goal. He played the first 10 games and he conceded 3 goals. Some of these could be blunders which cannot be even made by someone from primary school. It's not tolerated on this project. At Cape United project, we don't tolerate it. And I'm happy that even the goalkeeper is coming in is hearing that. We accept certain things and there are things which you don't accept at all. You don't make mistake every match. And people want to say you should have given him time, you should have to sit on the bench. Whose bench? Take him to your own club. We don't want to see that boy anywhere near this project. Not near the Cape United, you'll be getting his salary, staying at his home. We are not taking anything away from him. We are very serious and we are bitter. Millions of people are going home every day crying every weekend because of one person. What he did against ZPC Caribbean, I've never seen that since 2002. How do you describe that? Waiting for someone from the center of to come and kick the ball from your hands and you will say it's a mistake, it's off form. We speak of off form when someone we're getting those shots, they are getting in and they're saying, no, the goalkeeper and he's turning. Not such deliberate moves. We are not kids. We don't spend our afternoons at the stadium to watch such things. And it was actually the final coffin, the final nail on the coffin against the Triangle. Where have you seen that? Look at the goals against Moors. Thanks to that supporter we're circulating who compiled all those goals against Moors. Shooting from the center circle there and not even making any movement. We've been watching him. So it's not a one-day thing, but it's a thing that we've seen. It was going on. And we are not going to have our vision, our dream, Cape United be derailed by a single person. It's not going to happen. We'll be watching them. Anyone who plays around with us, we can send them home. We are going to be very serious. A lot of things are happening in our league. A lot of unprofessional behaviors which are happening, which we are seeing. And some other people celebrate that. But we are saying here at Cape United, we are not going to do that. Myself as the president, I've never taken my phone and call a player from other club. I don't do that. That's very unprofessional. And some people brag about it as if it's mafia or it's Takapenga. There's nothing like that. That's an unprofessional behavior at the highest level. We are not going to do that at Cape United. And we have never done that and we are not going to do that. Our results are going to speak for themselves. We have got a team. The coach is here. We are going to support him 100%. Where we are, we have got a hope where we are fighting for the honors. For the past several years, we have been fighting relegation, looking at the teams at the bottom of us. But right now, we are looking at the teams on top, at the top there. It's because our vision is different. So this game against Hard Rock, we are going to run around and make sure that their papers are in order. It's going to be an exciting match. As we promised, new players. We are registering 3 more players besides this goalkeeper, a very good midfielder, an attacking midfielder, number 10, natural number 10, a right back, and also another striker. Mr. Mugalu, he will also be available for selection if the coach is happy with him. So this is where we are. So allow me to welcome Mr. Arubi to the green family.